The next thing I am going to do with my guitar is to change this tremolo system. This is original and I think this is very cheap and not so good quality. And I'm going to change it with Wilkinson vintage tremolo for Stratocaster. So I have to check if this is fitting to the original hole, and it's fitting, but I have to do some changes with the guitar. First, I had to cut from this edge a little piece of wood, so now there is enough room for this tremolo system. There is a couple of millimeter, so there is room and it can flow freely in my guitar. And there is another thing what I have to do for this tremolo. When we compare the height of this piece, this is taller than this one, and the body of my guitar is thinner than in original Stratocaster, so I have to cut little bit from here, and because shape is like this, here is cut, I have to also make some smoothing from this edge of this piece. So I cut and I take a little bit off from this side, and let's see how it's going to fit in the tremolo place or bridge. Next, these holes are a little bit different position, so I have to also fill these holes, and I'm going to do it with epoxy and matches. I put matches to fill hole and I glue it with epoxy, and after that I'm going to drill new holes and make the this thing to its place. Okay, let's see how I do it after I have cut a little bit off here, and now I stop this video and we're going to start after I have make these things ready.